Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install Cities Skylines 2 game from Xbox app or Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. Now the first step is to log in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. So open Microsoft Store and then open Xbox app. Now once you open Microsoft Store, on the top right you will see your profile icon. Click on your profile icon and then click on sign out. Now click on sign in. Select the right account which has the game pass, then click on continue, and then it will be asking for your pin or password. So enter the pin or password over here and then open Xbox app, and then on the top left here you can see a profile icon. Click on it. Now click on sign out. Now click on sign in, again sign in, and over here select the same account which you have selected in Microsoft Store. So you have to log in with same account on Store and Xbox app. If it is not same, you can click on switch, select the right account, click on continue, and then click on let's play and then try to install. But still you are facing the problem. Then the next step is to, if you are trying to install it from Xbox app, you can try installing it from Microsoft Store. Now for this, you can open Microsoft Store on your computer and then search for the game over here. Whichever game is you're not able to install, you have to select the game over here, and then this is just an example. So you can find the game and you can install it from Microsoft Store. Sometimes you see the game in library, so you can go to library and then find the game in the list. So go to library, and if you find the game over here, you can try to install it from the Store library. Now if you're already trying to install it from library, like you're using Store, if you're using Store, in that case you can install it from the Xbox app. So you can open Xbox app. Xbox app is pre-installed on your computer. You can log in with the same account and then try to install the game from Xbox app. If Xbox app is not installed, you can search for Xbox app in Microsoft Store and then install it from Microsoft Store, and then you can try to install the game from Xbox app. But just make sure that you log in with same account on Store and with same account in Xbox app and then try to install the game. Next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description, so copy this command and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see errors like this, just ignore it and let the process complete. Once this is complete, restart your computer and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache files. Now for this, go to this location. So open File Explorer, go to this PC, then open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open AppData folder. If you don't see AppData, on the top click on view, select show and then put a check on hidden items. You should be able to see AppData. If you have Windows 10, somewhere over here you will find the view option. Click on view, and then somewhere over here you will find the hidden item box. So put a check on hidden items and then you should be able to see AppData. Open AppData folder. Now open the local folder. Now open the packages folder. Now scroll down and find Microsoft Windows Store. So here you can see Microsoft Windows Store _ some alphanumeric character. So open this folder. Here you can see this local cache folder. Make a right click and then click on delete. Now once this is deleted, now you can try to launch the install the game. Now the next step is to repair or reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. So type in Xbox app in Windows search box and then make a right click on Xbox app and then click on app settings. Scroll down, here you can see the repair option, click on repair. After the repair, try to install the game. If that does not work, click on reset, and after the reset, open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now still you're facing the problem, then do the same thing with Store, Microsoft Store. So type in Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store and then click on app settings. And again scroll down and then click on repair. And after the repair, try to install the game. If that does not work, click on reset. Now after the reset, open Microsoft Store or Xbox app and then try to install the game. Next step is to install Xbox Identity Provider and Gaming Services. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Xbox Identity Provider. Click on install. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So click on open Microsoft Store. And if this is not installed, you will see install button or get button over here. In my case, this is already installed. So if you don't see any button to install, that means it is already installed. You don't have to do anything. So in my case, this is already installed. If you see install it and then try to install the game. Also uninstall and reinstall gaming services. So copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell once again in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Always open PowerShell as an administrator. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. And once this is done, run the second command. Copy this command and on the same window, paste the command, hit the enter key. It will open Microsoft Store and you will see install option to install gaming services. Click on install. Click on yes to allow. And let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, then you can try to install the game. Now the next step is to start all these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find IP helper in the list, make a double click on IP helper, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find Xbox services. At the end here you can see 4 Xbox services. Make a double click on each one of them and then set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again make a double click, set it to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Again set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find gaming services. Make sure gaming services are running. If not running, then start it. Make a right click and then click on start or restart. If it's already running, in my case, this is already running. So if it's already running, you can stop it and then restart the service. Now make a right click and then click on start. Again make a right click and click on start. Now find Microsoft Store install service and then make a double click, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now open Xbox app and install the game. Still you are unable to install, update Windows to the latest version. This is important. So open Windows settings, go to Windows Update or Update and Security, then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, restart your computer and after the system restart, install the game. Now the next step is to run ws reset command. So type in ws reset in Windows search box and then click on ws reset. It will open Microsoft Store and now you can try to install the game. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall Xbox app and Microsoft Store. So type in Xbox app in Windows search box, make a right click on Xbox app and then click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, you can go to Microsoft Store and you can type in Xbox app and then reinstall Xbox app. You will see the install button after you uninstall it and then try to install. Do the same thing with Store. So for Store, you can copy this command and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command over here. This will uninstall Store from your computer, Windows Store. And once it is done, now restart your computer. make sure that you restart your computer after this. And after the system restart, copy the second command and then again open PowerShell in Windows search box, type in Windows PowerShell and then run as administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer. And then you can open Xbox app and then try to install it. Next step is to try installing the game to C drive or different drive. So you can go to start menu, then go to settings, open Windows settings, and then go to system and then click on storage over here. Now click on advanced storage settings. Now click on new, where new content is saved, click on it. Now if you are trying to install the game on C drive, then you can try different drive. So you can select different drive. If you have any other drive available, you can select it and then click on apply. Now if you are already trying to install the game on different drive, on external drive, and if you then in that case select C drive and then click on apply. So select, first of all, if you're trying to install it in C drive, if you're receiving the error message you are unable to install, select different drive, then click on apply. If that does not work, then you can try installing to the C drive and then click on apply, and then you can open Xbox app or store and then you can try to install the game. Now the next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl and then click on inetcpl.cpl over here and then go to the advanced tab, scroll down. Here you can see use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, use TLS 1.2, use TLS 1.3. Make sure all four are checked over here, not the SSL 3.0. Use TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. All four are checked and then click on apply, click on OK. Now try to install the game. Restart your computer and then install the game. Now if nothing is working, the last step is to update Windows to the latest version using media creation tool.
If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this game successfully from Xbox app or Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.